And I walk the empty hallways and walk alone, alone as always. There's so many lucky pennies lying on the floor. Where the hell are all the lucky people? I can't see them anymore. And there's such a nasty smell in the bathroom. The people float by while the toilets are flushing. And there's all this shit written on the bathroom wall with a leaky pen. And Lisa loves Jason now. Jason loves Ben. And a letter from Michigan is sitting on my desk. And I remember one thought, but I forget all the rest. And the ice cream is melting and dripping down my neck. And my bottle's standing on the edge of the table. And I think it's in a mood to break me, just break me, just break me. I mess myself up again, nobody really cares. I wish I could just have some time to play with my old teddy bears. And maybe I could go to teddy bear heaven just like her. Cause well, she went when she was 11. But I stay late cause I can't understand physics. I don't wanna go home and cook myself dinner or look in the mirror, that big fat mirror that swallows me up in a corner, just swallows me whole. And to goes the robber, and to goes the gun, and to goes the bittersweet judgmental nun. To goes the gun, and to goes the purse, and to goes the overfucked registered nurse. Me just nurse. Me just nurse me. School is out and I walk the empty hallways and walk alone, alone as always. There are so many lucky pennies